Welcome to Isha Inspired. I'm Isha Casagrande and I am here with your Saturday style hack. So this is one of my favorites. It amazes me at how many years when I bought boots, I would completely discard of all the inside, all the stuffing that was inside, like those foam pieces, only to find out later I wish that I would have had them to keep the boots standing upright. So tip number one, don't throw those away. Tip number two, if you're buying boots, you can also ask at the shoe store if they have any extras in the back because sometimes they do take them out. Tip number three, you can create your own to make your boot stand up just by taking a magazine, rolling it on it, sliding it right inside that boot. Now this is a thigh-high boot, which is totally fine because I can even fold this over, but look at now, it will stand straight up. Okay, you can even do the same with a bottle of wine, although you have to be careful when it comes to that you don't break that. But such a great way to organize your closet, make sure your shoes are standing upright and keeping their shape. So please like, follow, and comment at both Isha Casagrande and Isha Inspired, where I show you all the tips and tricks of the stylist trade to make your life more confident and more inspiring. Thanks for tuning in.